Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Madhya. So today we are here in a new location, as you can see in my background. So the reason why I'm shooting over here in this location is because today me and my friends have decided to do barbecue. So you might be thinking about which park, where do we have to buy any barbecue, or where is this park situation you can see behind me. I will answer those in just a few minutes. So today is a nice sunny day. As you can see, the weather is very good. It's not too hot. It's okayish with windy. So just be careful if it's hot summer day. Since it's hot summer day in Australia basically, so you be careful that you put sunscreen, you're nicely moisturized, you have water, everything with you. So you have to be very careful with it if you are in a location like this or anywhere in Australia, because the sun over here or the weather over here is very harsh compared to back in India or Pakistan. Keep your social distancing and wear your mask, since there is rush, but everyone has a group that's very like very far away from the place where we're going to barbecue. So that is good. The barbecue, we didn't have to buy anything, but you can always buy your own charcoal and grilling machine, whatever that's called, or like gas or anything if you want to cook something else. But we do have barbecue equipment over here, which we get half an hour of it. So for like good enough of people, you can always come here and do your stuff and cook and everything. The only cost is, I think, the food. You can buy your own food, marinate it according to you, or you can just get those marinated stuffed marinated chicken, fish, or vegetables in Woolworth or Coles. So you can always get that if you don't want to, and you can directly come over here and cook. The location where we are right now is in Parramatta. So it's called Parramatta Park, and it's quite huge. So you can either come from Parramatta station or you can come from Westmead station. Either way you can come from. But the place we're sitting in is very close to Westmead station. It's just 5 or 6 minutes walking from the station. There isn't parking, as you can see over there. There isn't parking option over there. You can always go and park behind those people. You can always, there's a parking spot. You can always go and park. If you want to just go for a ride around the park and see if you can find a good, space for the barbecue. Yeah, if you don't want to waste your time, then you have to find, there are very few barbecue station. But since the park is very huge, you can always buy your own charcoal, your own grill, and you can always grill according to that. So let me show you the things which we got. Avoid my thingy because I just came back from work and I started shooting and I had this barbecue thingy. So yeah, avoid my look. I just came back from work. So this is the stuff which we got. So we obviously got some plates. Obviously, if you want to bring your own plates, you can always bring your own plates. It's up to you. This is the marinade paneer, marinade chicken. These are the marinated fish. That's perfect. That's rohu. It's not that expensive. Pomfrets were expensive, but rohu wasn't as expensive. If you go and buy from the Indian stores, obviously this boat we got it from the Indian store. You can always go and ask from the Indian stores if you want. We have some juices which we got. We got kombucha, we got some salt on top and glass obviously. And then we have some cloths, bread, some glasses, some bottle, and obviously some knife and spoons and things to move the tail. This is actually the barbecue thingy, and that's his sitting area. And these people are actually having a barbecue picnic over here as a big family. So yeah, they got their own gas and everything, and they got all those things. So it is actually good if you have a big family or a big friend staying and sitting with each other. You can obviously do this. So this, if you can see all the parking areas, and that's how big it is. And obviously we are doing this barbecue, just barbecue. Obviously we had 3 others who are planning to play. Okay, we had 3 others who are planning to play on the strings and everything. So yeah, this is the part. Yeah, you are just seeing 1/4 of the not even the 1/4 of the park. It's actually very big. So yeah, this big is the park. You can always do things. And then this is actually more like a hot plate where you can actually grill and everything. You put some thingy and this gets heated. This is where you fry all the stuff and everything. Obviously you need to clean this before you use this. And then there is some instructions over here where you can do it. Obviously this is, you have to push it and use it, and then you can obviously do it. And please read the barbecue instruction before you do it. So yeah, like, you don't have to spend much money. All your money would go only on your food and your drinks. You don't have to pay much for this, and you're coming in a barbecue area, even for birthday parties and everything. And yeah, the good thing about this place, this location, I mean, the reason why we chose this barbecue is because there is a washroom over there. So that's the reason why we chose. So now let me take you to the barbecue and everything, and let's see how it goes. Until then, bye. So we had a food, sat there for a few hours actually. We started at 1:32 and now it is 6. So we cooked, we ate, we sat there for a few minutes, we watched match. They're currently watching match. So currently it's test series going on, India versus Australia. So obviously we Indians understand how important the cricket match is and the emotions that is connected to it. So even if if the ball goes 6 or 4, so we get excited and we get this thing, and it's a crucial moment. So yeah, it's currently evening. There are kids playing here right now, so there is not much. So yeah, subscribe, like, and comment below how did you like this vlog. If you need new vlogs like this about new places, new barbecue places, or anything like that, please to comment below. Like, subscribe, and share. I'm just too tired to vlog anymore. It's 6 in the evening and I have been up since 6 in the morning. So I'm blabbing right now. Bye.